It also comes as the U.S. reported more than 3,800 deaths yesterday. That, by the way, another record high. Daily cases still at about 250,000 a day. Those numbers according to Johns Hopkins University. Cases rising across the country, including California, where health officials reported more than 1,000 deaths in the last 2 days. NewsNation correspondent Nancy Liu is live for us tonight in Los Angeles with an update.
And Marnie, California remains a major hotspot. Today alone, the state reported another 583 deaths. According to LA County health officials, the virus is essentially spreading unchecked. A dangerous period of holiday gatherings and travel continue to bring deadly results all over the country.
The ER is full. Folks are waiting for beds. We are getting really creative with places to see patients, and patients are suffering.
Much of California's healthcare system remains on the brink. In Santa Clara County, residents are being urged not to call 911 unless it's dire. As bad as it is in California, Arizona has actually topped it in cases per resident.
At about 118 cases per 100,000 per day right now, which is extremely alarming.
Epidemiologist Casey Ernst expects the Arizona toll to get even worse.
We actually still don't have a state mandate for masks in place in Arizona. Of course, there's, the things that are going on across the country as well when you have a lot of people who have traveled for the holidays.
The holidays have also brought a surge in New Orleans, prompting the mayor to extend restrictions there.
We are still responding to the holiday season, and we do not have a clear, reflection of the full holiday season just yet. So the guidelines or the restrictions that are now in place will be so for the next 3 weeks.
Health officials say the effect of New Year's parties have yet to hit, but already Illinois has just become the 5th state to top 1 million COVID cases. Meantime, the variant strain is also spreading fast. New cases have been reported in multiple states, including Texas, Connecticut, and Pennsylvania.
This is not unexpected that we would see cases of the variant, and I believe about 50 cases have been seen in the United States. We're going to be watching that with, of course, the CDC very carefully.
As for prevention, vaccination frustration is still evident in much of the country. Many local health departments are struggling to deal with high demand and uncertain supply.
We don't know how much vaccine we're going to get until it comes. And so that makes it hard for us to plan. It makes it hard for you to plan.
According to the CDC, nearly 22 million doses of the COVID vaccine have been distributed throughout the country so far. But so far, the number of people who've received their first doses is just under 6 million. Live in LA County, Nancy Liu, NewsNation.